In this video, I'm going to show you how to change language in Farming Simulator 25 on Steam. So this is actually quite simple. First, you want to go to Library, and of course, you want to have your game shut down, so in case you're playing it right now, turn it off completely and shut it down, close the game. Once you've done this and you've gone to library here on Steam, you want to look for your Farming Simulator 25 game. So I don't have it on this Steam account, I'm just going to show you with another game because the procedure is exactly the same. You want to go to that game, so the Farming Simulator 25, right click on it and click Properties. Inside Properties, under the General tab over here, as you can see, you have an option which says Language and then English or whatever you may have. Click on it and then it will give you an option and basically a list of all the possible languages you can have the game in. So just pick in the language. Let's say I want to have German in this occasion. There we go. You want to close this down, click play, and then when the game launches, you'll have it in the new language you just selected. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.